Hello Andrew, how are you? I hope you're well. What we've got here today is we've got a Pauly X5 and it's got self-leveling air suspension fault. So what we've done is, we think it's an airbag leaking, so what I've done is I've taken the wheels off, managed that bit alright, and then we've got some soapy water and we're going to see where the bag's leaking from. We can see here, got some teeny little bubbles coming out all along this worn area. So I think we've got our culprit here. So we're going to change these now. Alright, hello. We're back in the garage. It wasn't just the airbag that was gone, it was also the compressor, sadly. So what I've done is I've taken off the compressor. You can see that here. So this is the compressor. It just bolts underneath the car. It just goes to a valve block. Inside we've got the piston inside that we can see. I've tried to take it off, but a couple of the threads are a bit mangled, so I've just left it as it is. But don't know if you can see that there, but it's moving around. So that is what was making the racket. That's what's making a horrible noise underneath. So as it's probably failed because the airbag was leaking, so it's been working overtime. So what I'll do is I'll just refit another one. More money!